Our sample has two key dimensions. First, the diameter that applies to both parts. Secondly, the length. It applies to the inner ring only. Each part allows the selection of two different materials, metals for the flange, plastics for the ring. We generate a unique key reflecting the individual configuration for each part and parent assembly consuming them. We start with our default configuration. The Vault preview indicates that both parts and an assembly exist having unique part numbers. Now, as we change the length, our iLogic rule queries Vault. A ring of this size is not found. Let's start the creation of the new variant. iLogic copies templates for new files directly on the Vault server and executes the manage component functions, adding and constraining the components and fasteners to the new empty assembly. Finally, the rule checks in the file. Updating the configuration preview, our new assembly and the according inner ring are listed. We continue querying other options. The flange also exists with another steel. No assembly consumes the current combination. The create command executed would create a new one consuming the existing components.